what is the Makhraj? So it is one of the tongue letters, lisan letters, and its articulation point is the deepest part of the tongue, okay, towards the mouth, and what lies opposite to it of the mouth. That's the still a soft palate or near the hard palate. Okay, so let's see, explain that now. Okay, so the deepest part of the tongue, if we have, this is the deepest part of the tongue, we divide this into two. So this side is towards the throat and this side is towards the mouth or towards the teeth. So we will be using this side, and this is going to touch what is opposite to it of the roof of the mouth, which is the soft palate but towards the hard palate. Okay, so if you see here again, if you divide into two, the deepest part, the part which is closer to the teeth, that will be used to touch what is opposite to it of the roof of the mouth, okay, of the soft palate, and it's towards the hard palate. The Kaaf was just down there and the Kaaf is a bit upper, you can see here, and soft palate touching here. Okay, so this is the articulation point for Kaaf, or the sound ak, ak. Okay, let me go to the 3D model and explain it there. Okay, see, that's the tongue. So that's, we have the deepest part of the tongue. This part, this side is towards the mouth or towards the teeth, so that will be touching what is opposite to it, the soft palate. Okay, what is opposite the soft palate will be touching the opposite of the deepest part of the tongue. So that's the articulation point for Kaaf or ak. Kaaf, or the sound is ak, ak.